Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Pride theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And the first step you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update. So once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to log in into your Instagram account. So once you log in, you simply need to open Instagram and click on the messenger icon on the top right. And once you are here, you simply need to select any conversation with any of your friend and click on the person name on the top and click on theme. So once you are here, you simply need to select the Pride. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that Pride theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.